Hi everyone, it's Queen B. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open your motorcycle spark plug. Be sure to subscribe to see more like these DIY videos. Before we start, make sure to take screenshot on your way opening anything. So that way, if you later forget which part to put where, this will help. Also, try not to force anything to open. If anything seems jammed, try lubricating beforehand. As you can see, I got this R15 V2. If you have a different motorcycle, the process should be similar. So without any delay, let's start. In this bike, to access the spark plug, we have to remove this right side fairing. But if you got a naked bike, then skip this step. So to remove this fairing, we got to remove these screws first. One screw here and one here. And one in the front. Under this part, there is a hook. We need to pull the fairing up to detach from this hook after unscrewing all the screws. There's the hook, if that's what this is called, and it goes here. So now we can access the spark plug. Before we can open the spark plug, we need to first remove its cap. To remove this spark plug cap, just grab the cap with finger and pull upward. You can remove this rubbery cap from below for easy lifting. So now the cap is removed. Now we can open the spark plug as well. For that, grab a number 16 spanner and start spinning the spark plug anti-clockwise to remove it. Also make sure when putting the spark plug back, tight it enough, but don't over tight it. You don't want to destroy its threadings. So that's it, and just do all the previous steps in reverse to put everything back as before. Hope it helps. Comments your doubt or questions. Like this video and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.